Hello friends, Shrutija here from Atlanta. Welcome to the positive news which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM USA, and other affiliated PSSM organizations. PSSM is totally committed to spread the word of meditation, plant-based food, and pyramid energy. All the programs telecasted would be related to one of these topics. About PSSM. Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM, founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious voluntary movement working across USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy, and spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates, group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars with goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all. PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual Channel. PMC USA Channel. This is purely English-based channel which will bring all the content like meditation live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual Channel. This channel will serve all languages other than English. The content will be on the similar lines with meditation events, summits, experience sharing and so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. Thank you to all our subscribers of the channel to cross the first milestone of 1000 members. We will assure you of providing the relevant content throughout. PSSM USA ongoing event. PSSM USA is conducting 11 days of meditation program to share our energies with animal kingdom. Based on Patri sir's guidance, a program is organized on the importance of animal kingdom, which is the need of the hour. This event has started from June 9th, 2021 at 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. EST. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM USA recently started meditation sessions in Hindi to cater to all Hindi-speaking friends. Raki Ji from Atlanta has been inviting different masters across the globe and arranging the sessions in Hindi. This event has started from May 28th, 2021 until June 17th, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM USA Multilingual ongoing events. PMC USA Multilingual channel also caters to participants from other regions and conducts various programs in different languages. Beautiful programs are being organized regularly in PMC USA Multilingual channel. Please watch out regular flyers in your local WhatsApp groups. All these sessions are available on PMC USA Multilingual YouTube channel for participants to revisit at your own convenience. PSSM Global ongoing events. Meditation with Pari every Thursday at 9 p.m. EST in the event Elevate Your Energy. Please look for the details at www.pssmglobal/events. PSSM USA announcement. PMC USA, as part of promoting plant-based food, is also getting ready to showcase on how easy and tasty food can be prepared without use of garlic, mushrooms or microwaves. So please watch our channel for every other Saturday for a new recipe which will be telecasted. PSSM New Jersey announcement. PSSM New Jersey is conducting 24 weeks of unified course guided by the instruction of Mahavatar Babaji. This event has started from March 24th, 2021. Please check the flyer for joining details. This course is also available on PMC USA channel for future reference. PSSM Global announcement. PSSM Global has proudly launched its new services called Pyramid Call Services Global. Intention of this service is to provide a platform to a new seeker to get attached to a master who can talk in their respective language and provide guidance about the meditation and help them to assign a group so as to participate in day-to-day programs. PSSM Global is conducting 3-day Global Pyramid Conference, first time in person post-COVID. This event is planned on October 8 to 10, 2021. Please note down the dates and plan to attend in person. For further info, please reach out to the customer service 1770-872-0955 and email is pssmusa@gmail.com. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you friends. This is Shrutija signing off.